my dear students, you are all welcome to the class. Dear friends, myself Srimati Sumangala Hegde, High School Assistant Teacher. This lesson is about bridge course competencies for 7th standard students in science subject. Now, I would like to say something about a little girl, Seema. This Seema is a very curious kid. She always feels happy. She observes her surroundings and asks questions to her parents or to the teacher. One day in the kitchen, what happened? Let's see.
Introduction. Mom, the roti I rolled is not round. What should I do? That is all right. You can change the roll dough back and try again. Mom, can I do that? Yes, Seema. This is one of the changes that...
Yes, Seema changed the rolled dough back into a ball of dough. And again, she rolled out a round-shaped chapati and she felt very happy. On another day, she made star-shaped puris and baked them in oil. Then she changed her mind. She tried to make the baked puris into round-shaped. But she couldn't. The puris are crushed into pieces. So she was very much disappointed. She worried and also she was surprised. Then she ran to her mother and asked why it was so. Then mother explained. Her mother explained in detail why it was so. Now Seema was very happy and she learnt a new thing. Now let's also see that what Seema had learnt and what her mother had told. Dear students, have you observed your mother preparing curd? What she will do? First, she takes milk in a vessel and keeps it for boiling. Then she allows the milk to cool. And then she adds a spoon of curd to the lukewarm milk. Next day morning, the milk changes into curd. What a miracle, you know. This process is called fermentation. Dear students, you have observed the blooming of a flower. A bud turns into a beautiful flower. You have also observed the ripening of raw mangoes. The green colored mangoes turn to golden yellow color. Take a balloon and blow air into the balloon. What will happen? Its size will be increased. Students, what have you observed in all these pictures? You have observed some changes happening, you know. Milk changes into curd, the bird changes into a flower, the color of the mango changed, the size of the balloon increased. Like this, we may observe so many changes in our surroundings. Observe these pictures. Here are the examples for some more changes happening. You may observe many such changes. The change may be in color, size, shape or taste, etc. So many changes takes place in our surroundings. Let's once again go through the following changes. Now think over. By filling the air into a balloon, the size of the balloon will be increased. Is it possible to get again the inflated balloon? Yes, we can get. By removing the air, we can get the normal balloon. See this picture. By stretching the rubber band, the length of the rubber band will be increased. Is it possible to get again the normal rubber band? Yes, we can get normal rubber band again. Now, can we get milk from curd? No, we can't get milk from curd. See this change. A bud blooms into a flower. Can we get a bud from a flower? No. We can cut a tomato into slices. But can we get again the tomato from the slices? No. Likewise, can we get raw mangoes from ripened mangoes? The answer is no. Can we get the ball of dough from rolled out chapati? Yes. Yes, students. By observing those examples, we can conclude that in some changes, we can get the original substance back. But in some of the changes, we can't get the original substance back. That means in some cases, the process can be reversed. Such changes are called reversible changes. In reversible changes, we can get back the original structure of the substance by reversing the process. Some examples for reversible changes are stretching of a rubber band, filling air into a balloon, making an aeroplane using a paper. Now students, observe these changes. Preparing curd from milk, blooming of flowers, ripening of raw mangoes. A bud changes into a flower. Ripened mangoes from raw mangoes. Milk changes into curd. In all such examples, the changes cannot be reversed. Such changes are called irreversible changes. In irreversible changes, we can't get back the original structure of the substance. So, we can classify the changes as reversible changes and irreversible changes. Now, state whether the following changes are reversible or irreversible. The ice is in the solid state. It changes into liquid state. Whether it is reversible or irreversible. It is reversible change. Salt dissolved into water. Whether it is reversible or irreversible. Yes, it is a reversible change because we can get back the salt by evaporation. A caterpillar changes into a beautiful butterfly. This change is irreversible because the same butterfly cannot change into a caterpillar. Spoiled bread. This is also an irreversible process. Already we know the stretching of a rubber band is a reversible process. Green leaves change into yellow leaves. This is an irreversible change. Dear students, here is a video. Watch the video and do the activity at your home. Take a piece of paper, a paintbrush and a lemon. Take some lemon juice in a bowl and with the help of the paintbrush, write some letters on the paper and allow it to dry. Leave it for half an hour. The letters are invisible. Now place the paper on the tawa and just warm it. Now you can see the letters what you have written.
Changes around us. In this video, we will see an activity to know which changes are reversible and which changes are irreversible. Let us begin. Can you guess the following change can be reversed or not? Raw egg is changed to boiled egg. can we change the boiled egg to raw egg? No, boiled egg cannot be changed to raw egg. So, this is an irreversible change. Can you guess the following change can be reversed or not? Batter is changed to idlis. Can we convert the idlis to batter again? No, idli cannot be changed to batter. So, this is an irreversible change. Can you guess the following change can be reversed or not? Popsicle changes to molten popsicle. Can we change the molten popsicle into popsicle? Yes. Molten popsicle can be made into a popsicle by freezing it. So, this is a reversible change. Can you guess the following change is reversible or irreversible? Wet cloths changes to dry cloths. Can we change the dry cloths to wet cloths? Yes, dry cloths can be made wet by dipping them in water. So, this is a reversible change. Can you guess the following change is reversible or irreversible? Milk is changed to paneer. Can we change the paneer to milk again? No. Milk can be made into paneer, but paneer cannot be made into milk. So this is an irreversible change. Can you guess the following change is reversible or irreversible? Candle changed to wax. Can we change the wax into candle again? Yes, a candle can be made into wax by melting, and the wax can be made into a candle by molding and cooling it. So, it is a reversible change. Can you guess the following change can be reversed or not? A bud changes to a flower. But can we change a flower into a bud? No. A bud changes to a flower, but a flower cannot be changed into a bud. So, this is an irreversible change. Can you guess the following change can be reversed or not? A woolen yarn can be knitted into a sweater, but can we make the woolen sweater to woolen yarn? Yes. A woolen yarn can be knitted into a sweater, and the sweater can be made into yarn. So, it is a reversible change. Can you guess the following change is reversible or irreversible? Grains are made into flour. Can we make the flour into grains again? No. Grains can be made into flour by grinding, but they cannot be made into grains again. So this is a reversible change. Can you guess the following change is reversible or irreversible? Cold milk changed to hot milk. Can we change the hot milk to cold milk? Yes. Cold milk can be made hot by heating, and the hot milk can be made cold by adding ice or cooling it. So, it is a reversible change. Can you guess the following change is reversible or irreversible? Gold biscuit is made into a gold chain. Can we make the gold chain into a gold biscuit? Yes. Gold biscuit can be made into a chain, and the chain can be made into a gold biscuit. So, this is a reversible change. Can you guess the following change is reversible or irreversible? We can change the shape of a rubber band by stretching. Can we bring the rubber band to its normal shape? Yes. A rubber band can be stretched by applying force, and it can be brought to normal shape by releasing the force. So, it is a reversible change. So here in this video we have learned some reversible and irreversible changes.
Now students, take these questions as homework and write the answers in your notebook. The boiling point of the water is a dash change. Second question is, grinding corn to get flour is a dash change. Third question is, give any 5 examples for reversible changes. And the fourth one is, give any 5 examples for irreversible changes. Thank you all and best wishes.